Yeah, let's unpack this. Imagine a really groundbreaking event. It's not just a first, it's like a huge milestone for a whole continent's tech scene. That's exactly what we're diving into today, PyCon Togo 2025. And this isn't just, another tech conference. It's the very first Python conference in Togo, a landmark moment, really. So our mission today is pretty simple. Dig through the PyCon Togo 2025 website info we have, pull out the most important bits, the must-knows, so you get the full picture without, well, scrolling endlessly.
Yeah, and what's really fascinating here, I think, isn't just the event itself, but the sheer ambition behind it, bringing together developers, enthusiasts, experts from all across Africa and even further. It really speaks volumes about how vibrant the Python community is becoming there and how fast it's growing. This conference, well, it really looks set to be an unforgettable celebration of Python, the language and its community.
Absolutely. And it's important for you to know, this isn't just for the super seasoned developers. Whether you're maybe thinking about sharing your own knowledge or volunteering your time, maybe showcasing your brand, or even if you're just curious about what's happening in the global tech landscape, we've got you covered. We'll break it down. So let's start right at the beginning. The genesis, you could say, of this whole thing. We're talking about the first ever Python conference in Togo. And the goal is really about bringing people together, fostering collaboration across Africa and, well, beyond. It feels foundational.
It really does. And if you connect this to the bigger picture, it feels like a turning point for tech growth and community building in West Africa. This isn't just a conference, it's like a strategic gathering. It acknowledges the momentum Python has there and aims to push it forward. Oh, and for anyone marking their calendars, the date is confirmed, August 23, 2025, kicking off at 07:00 a.m. GMT. That's Greenwich Mean Time, so you'll need to adjust for your time zone, of course.
Right. Key detail. Now, for those of you listening and thinking, okay, how can I actually get involved? How can I be part of this? The PyCon Togo site lays out a few really interesting ways to engage. First up, becoming a speaker. They're welcoming talks on, well, all Python-related topics, beginner stuff, advanced, deep dives, everything in between, which is great, makes it really broad. And you've got choices for how long you talk, standard 25-minute slots, 40-minute deep dives, kind of like what we're doing now. And even those quick 5-minute lightning talks, perfect for getting an idea out there fast. But pay attention to the dates for submitting your talk ideas. This is important. Submissions open June 3, 2025 at 16:00 UTC. The deadline is June 30, 2025, same time, 16:00 UTC. And they'll let you know if your talk is accepted by July 13th, 2025, again, 16:00 UTC.
And for the speakers themselves, beyond just, sharing what you know, the perks are pretty good. You get a free conference pass, naturally, plus an exclusive speaker dinner, great for networking, and just generally really good opportunities to connect. It's a fantastic way to boost your profile, definitely, but also to genuinely connect with people driving Python forward, especially in that region.
Yeah, that dinner sounds like a nice touch. Now, besides getting up on stage, PyCon Togo also needs volunteers. Enthusiastic ones. They're looking for help with, all the behind-the-scenes stuff.
Yep.
Organization, logistics, helping out on the day. It's critical for a smooth event.
Right. And volunteering, it offers a different kind of benefit. You get really valuable hands-on experience in how events are run. That's a skill you can use anywhere. Plus, you get to network maybe more closely with the experts and other volunteers than regular attendees might. And yeah, you still get free admission to the conference and some exclusive volunteer swag, too. It's a really practical way to contribute and build connections at the same time.
Makes sense. And of course, an event like this, especially a first ever one, needs support. Which brings us to sponsorship. This is a really strategic opportunity for companies, for brands, to connect with that growing Python community in Africa. It's not just about visibility, it's about helping make PyCon Togo 2025 happen. They've laid out 4 distinct sponsorship tiers, offering different levels of engagement. Okay, so starting at the base level, there's the community supporter, that's 50,000 XOF. And just quickly, XOF is the West African CFA franc, so that grounds it locally. For that, you get your logo on the website, a mention during the opening, and some social media shoutouts. Step up to bronze sponsor, that's 150,000 XOF. You get everything from community, plus your logo on printed stuff, and you can give out company materials.
Like flyers or brochures.
Exactly. Yeah. Then for 300,000 XOF, you hit the silver sponsor tier. This boosts your social media presence. You get banner placement at the venue, and importantly, a brief, 2-minute slot to introduce your company on stage.
Okay, that's more direct engagement.
All right. And then the top tier is gold sponsor. That's 600,000 XOF. Here you get premium logo placement everywhere, special recognition, a big social media campaign focused on you, a small exhibit space, multiple banners at the venue, and a 3-minute speaking opportunity. A bit more time to make an impact.
You know, what's really compelling about these tiers, especially the higher ones, isn't just the logo placement. It's how they let brands align themselves with, well, a really significant grassroots tech movement. A gold sponsorship, for example, it signals you're not just advertising, you're investing.
Yeah.
You're seen as a partner in building Africa's tech future. That can be huge for attracting talent and understanding the market. It's a smart investment, I think.
Definitely.
You know, looking at that whole day's schedule,
Yeah.
there's a really nice flow to it. It moves from that high-level vision in the keynote, dives into core practical skills like web dev and data analysis, then touches on more advanced but still practical topics like ML and APIs, and finishes with quick insights and socializing. It feels very well balanced, designed to offer something for everyone from beginner to expert. It's not just random talks thrown together.
Right, it feels intentional. So, okay, we've covered the origins, how you can get involved, what the first day looks like. What does this all really mean for you, the listener? Why should PyCon Togo 2025 matter to you?
Well, that brings up a bigger point, doesn't it? How do events like this actually fuel broader digital transformation on the continent? Look, regardless of where you are in your Python journey, this is a pretty rare chance. To be part of a first-ever event, one that's actively shaping a regional tech community right from the start, that's kind of special. You stand to gain real practical knowledge from a diverse set of topics and speakers. The networking, as we've said, could be huge for your career or finding collaborators. But maybe more than that, it's the community aspect. You're becoming part of a global movement supporting Python in Africa and contributing directly to its growth.
Yeah, it really does sound like more than just another conference. PyCon Togo 2025 feels like a statement, a testament to this thriving Python community in Africa, offering this unique mix of learning, connection, and contribution. It could genuinely make a difference for someone's path.
And it leaves you wondering, doesn't it? Consider this. If a localized grassroots event like PyCon Togo succeeds, really succeeds, how could that inspire similar tech community growth, similar knowledge sharing in other emerging tech hubs, not just in Africa, but around the world? What kind of ripple effects could that create for global collaboration, for innovation, proving that, groundbreaking tech can truly blossom anywhere?
That's a powerful thought to end on. Hopefully this deep dive has given all of you a clear picture, a comprehensive overview, and maybe inspired you to check out PyCon Togo 2025 for yourselves based on what we've unpacked today.